What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Titan Drill Man from Skibidi Toilet. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center page with the top edge of the head. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a large half circle, go up towards the top, round this out, and then bring that down towards the same height. Now I want to bring this down and in towards the center point. Let's start back on the left. Just going to round this out and then come down and in with a straight line. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Just rounding this out, come down and then in. Now you want to add those rings around the head of the drill. Let's start from the bottom, curve around and then down with a half circle, step up. I'm just going to repeat this all the way up towards the top of the head. Now I'm going to draw that large circle in the center of the body underneath the drill. Let's start over on the left. Let's draw a circle, go all the way around, come across towards the right, and then back in. Let's trace the circle along the inside. And then in the center, we're going to draw a smaller circle. Let's draw the upper body. From the side of the head, draw two straight lines going out. Line that up on the right. It's going to round out the barrel of the shoulder, coming around and then in. And I'll pull that straight in towards the side of the circle. From these 2 points, come straight down towards the bottom of the body. I just want to round this out. Come down and then in towards the side. From the bottom corners, step in, draw a short line coming down, and we'll follow that same curve coming back in. Let's add a trim around the shoulders. Follow that same curve. And then we're going to add some detail around the head. Let's start right in the middle with a half circle, going up and then down. Let's move over towards the right, angle this up and out, come down towards the side of the head, draw another straight angle line. Let's connect the ends with a curve, going up and then across. From the side, just going to round this out and then come down towards the shoulder. Let's go back up to the top. We're just going to add a bevel, going up and in, and we'll round out the top. Let's go to the right side of the head, draw a straight line going out, come straight down, and step back in, round this up going up, and angle this down. Now you want to continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. From the bottom corners of the hips, step in, draw two straight lines coming down, just going to round out the bottom. From the hips, bend this in and then down towards the lower torso. Flatten off the bottom. Let's add a little detail in the center with two lines going up, and we'll flatten off the top. Now we're going to draw the inside edge of the thighs. From these 2 points, curve this down and then out. Come down and then out towards the ankles. Now from the inside of the knee, let's add a curve going up and then out. And then we'll round up the knee armor, going around and then back in towards the bottom. Let's bend this in and then down. Round out the inside and go back up towards the top. Now along the top of the knees, we're going to add those bars. From the top, from the sides, go straight up. And I just want to round up the corners and we'll flatten off the top. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start by going straight up the sides, round up the corners and go across. Let's trace this bar along the inside. Now we're gonna go back up to the hips and round up the side of the leg. We're gonna go out and then bend that down on top of those bars. Let's add a seam. From the inside of the knee, draw a straight line going up, bend this up, and then out. Let's add a seam across the inside of the leg with a curve. Now from the outside of the knee, we're going to step in, bend the leg, coming down and in towards the same height, and we'll round out the bottom. From the inside of the ankle, step out, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's flatten off the bottom with a straight line going out. And then from the outside, we're going to round out the foot. We're going to go up, bend that down just up above the heel. And then from the outside of the ankle, we'll step in, draw two straight lines coming down. Now we're going to add another layer of the foot in behind. Starting from the side of the ankle, bend this out and then down, and come straight in. Let's add the heel. From the heel, we're going to step up, come in with a straight line, bend this up, and then out towards the ankle. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the shoulders. Let's start from these 2 points. We're going to go up, and then bend that down towards the side. Come straight down towards the bottom. Let's draw an angled line coming down and out. And I'll round out the bottom of the shoulder, coming down, and just pull that up towards the bottom. Let's add a circle along the bottom of the shoulder on either side. And we'll add a seam across the top, going up and then down. Now inside this gap, we're going to add a curve going around and then down. Let's draw the top of the arm. From this point, step down, angle down and out. Round out the bottom. And go back up and in underneath the shoulder. Let's add a trim across the bottom of the arm. Now we want to layer the arms in behind. From this point, we're going to step up, curve this around, and then down. From the outside, bend this down and then in. And add a curve across the bottom. And then we'll bend this around the top of the arm, going up and then out. Let's add a trim across the top of the arm with another curve. Add a half circle across the elbow, just tucking that in behind the arm. Now from these 2 points, we're just going to angle this down and then in towards the bottom of the drill. Now just like we did with the head, we're going to add some rings going across. Let's start from the top and just work our way down toward the point. Let's add some rivets across the top of the arm with 2 circles. And then I'll go back and add some more rivets across the knee. Let's start with a circle in the center. And then on the outside, we're going to draw a half circle. Let's mirror that over on the right. and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Titan Drill Man from Skibidi Toilet. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And you can check out our other channels. I'll leave the links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.